Hey, I'm John Shope from Dirty Bird Concepts. I want to welcome you to the first Korea Grand Prix Motorcycle Show 2017. We specialize in all kinds of aftermarket parts for the bikes. We've been working with James Motorcycle Group since 2013. They're an awesome company. It's great to have an overseas builder over there. You guys make sure you go to this show. It's going to be awesome. These are a couple of our crazy builds. If you guys want something built over there, James Motorcycle Group, they do awesome work. They're definitely top of the line. Make sure you check them out for all your motorcycle build needs in Korea. Again, I'm John Shope from Dirty Bird Concepts. Here's a little quick tour of our showroom. Any of these parts are available through James Motorcycle Group. These are some of our bikes, but everything's available through them. Make sure you go to the Grand Prix. It's going to be great. 2017. Dirty Bird Concepts. Take care.